Want to lose weight fast? You're not alone. The secret lies in a simple yet powerful tool, your plate. Yes, the way you arrange your food can make a significant difference. Many people are on the lookout for effective and sustainable ways to shed those extra pounds quickly. The secret lies in a simple yet powerful tool, your plate. Yes, the way you arrange your food can make a significant difference. Imagine this, a plate divided into 4 sections. This visual guide can help you balance your meals effortlessly. 1/4 is dedicated to lean protein, another to healthy fats. Think of grilled chicken, salmon, or avocado slices, and the remaining half bursts with colorful fruits and vegetables. These are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This, my friends, is the blueprint for rapid weight loss. It's not just about eating less, but eating right. Listen to the end of this video for all the details of the how and why. It's a balanced, sustainable, and scientifically backed approach to shedding pounds and keeping them off. Nutritionists and dietitians recommend this method for its simplicity and effectiveness. This isn't about deprivation or counting calories, it's about making smarter choices that nourish your body. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods in the right proportions. Fresh produce, lean proteins, and healthy fats are your best friends. If you are finding this video so far interesting, you can subscribe if you will at the end of it. This simple shift in your eating habits can jumpstart your metabolism, curb cravings, and provide sustained energy throughout the day, and help you achieve your weight loss goals faster than you ever thought possible. Imagine feeling more energetic, confident, and healthier. This method can transform not just your body, but your entire lifestyle. So, start today. Plan your meals, shop for healthy foods, and watch the transformation unfold. Your journey to fast weight loss begins with a single step, or in this case, a single plate. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, but gaining a healthier, happier you. Share your success story and inspire others to embark on this journey. Embrace this balanced approach and enjoy the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. Here's to a new you. This balanced plate approach isn't some fad diet, it's rooted in science. It's a method that has been studied extensively and proven to be effective for long-term health and weight management. When you consume a balanced ratio of protein, fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates from fruits and vegetables, you create the perfect environment for weight loss. This balance ensures that your body gets all the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. Protein, for example, requires more energy to digest than carbohydrates or fats, giving your metabolism a boost. This process, known as the thermic effect of food, means that your body burns more calories simply by digesting protein. Healthy fats, on the other hand, help you feel full and satisfied, preventing overeating. These fats are crucial for brain health, hormone production, and overall well-being. Including sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil in your diet can make a significant difference. And the abundance of fiber from fruits and vegetables further aids digestion, regulates blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy gut, which is linked to numerous health benefits including a stronger immune system. This combination leads to a natural reduction in calorie intake without feeling deprived. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you can enjoy a variety of flavors and textures while still achieving your health goals. This approach not only supports weight loss, but also promotes a sustainable, healthy lifestyle that you can maintain in the long run. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, but it's also a key player in weight loss. When you eat protein, your body burns more calories during digestion compared to carbohydrates or fats. This is known as the thermic effect of food. Choose lean protein sources like chicken breast, fish, tofu, beans, and lentils. Aim to include a source of protein with every meal and snack to keep your metabolism humming and your hunger at bay. For years, fat was demonized, but the truth is, our bodies need healthy fats to function properly. They help us absorb vitamins, insulate our organs, and protect our cells. The key is choosing the right types of fats. Incorporate sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your diet. These healthy fats not only provide essential nutrients but also promote satiety, meaning they help you feel full and satisfied after meals, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Section 5. Carbohydrates. Choosing the right kind. Carbohydrates are our body's primary source of energy, but not all carbs are created equal. Refined carbohydrates like white bread, white rice, and sugary drinks are quickly digested. This leads to blood sugar spikes and crashes. which can trigger cravings and lead to weight gain. Instead, focus on complex carbohydrates found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These carbohydrates are digested slowly, providing sustained energy and keeping you feeling fuller for longer. This helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reduces cravings, and supports your weight loss efforts. Section 6. Fruits and vegetables, nature's weight loss allies. Fruits and vegetables are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. They're naturally low in calories and fat, making them ideal for weight loss. Aim to fill half your plate with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables at every meal. Their high fiber content aids digestion, promotes regularity, and helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Section 7. Real people, real results, testimonials. In this section we will hear from real individuals who have transformed their lives through our balanced plate approach. Their stories are a testament to the effectiveness of this method. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to the experiences of those who have walked this path and achieved remarkable results. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable weight loss success by adopting this balanced plate approach. They have not only shed pounds but also gained a new lease on life, feeling more energetic and healthier.
I lost 15 pounds in just 2 months by following this way of eating. I have more energy, my cravings have disappeared, and I feel amazing. This approach has truly changed my life for the better.
John, a 45-year-old businessman, shares a similar experience. He struggled with weight for years, but this method finally worked for him.
This isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle change. I've lost 20 pounds, my cholesterol has improved, and my overall health has taken a turn for the better. I feel more vibrant and alive, and I feel healthier than ever. This approach has given me the tools to maintain my weight and health long term.
These are just a few examples of the transformative power of this simple yet effective approach to weight loss. The balanced plate method is not just about losing weight, it's about gaining a healthier, happier life. Join the countless others who have found success and start your journey today. Section 8. Embrace the plate for a healthier you. This balanced plate strategy isn't just about losing weight, it's about improving your overall health and well-being. By nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs, you'll experience increased energy levels, improved digestion, better sleep, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. This way of eating is sustainable and enjoyable. It's not about deprivation or strict rules. It's about making healthier choices that make you feel your best. Section 9. Your journey to a slimmer you starts now. Take charge of your health today. Start by implementing the balanced plate approach to your meals and snacks. Experience the difference it can make in your weight loss journey and your overall well-being. You have the power to transform your body and your life. Start today. Subscribe if you will, and check out my other videos.